After a time, the professor speaks again. Tell you what, let's run some numbers and see where we are. The professor pulls out a chart. It lists the number of hours each week that students are expected to devote to their classes, depending on semester and credit hours. Here's what it says. Fall or spring. Full term, 3 credit class, 10 hours per week. Late start, 10-week, 3 credit class, 16 hours per week. Summer. Full term, 12-week, 3 credit class, 13 hours per week. Half term, 6-week, 3 credit class, 27 hours per week. The professor says, you're taking 4 full term, 3 credit classes this semester. Since it's fall, that's 10 hours for each one, totaling 40 hours. So you need to find a way to create 40 hours of studying time in your life every week. The professor hands the student a blank chart, 7 columns labeled Monday, Tuesday. Here, I want you to make yourself a new schedule. Think about all of the ways you can adjust your schedule and find 40 hours to devote to your classes. Come back once you are done. The student, a bit sad, decides to accept this challenge. Activity A. Now it's your turn. Using the chart shown earlier, calculate how many hours you are expected to devote to school every week. If you have any classes that are of a type not listed in the chart, let me know and I will provide you with a number. Activity B. Based on your current schedule, determine the number of hours you can devote to school for each day of the week. For example, you might write Monday 3, Tuesday 4.5, Wednesday 3, Thursday 5.5, Friday 0, Saturday 10, Sunday 6, for a total of 32 hours. Activity C. Now think of ways you can reduce other life commitments so you can spend more time on school. Create a new schedule. Then, based on your new schedule, determine the number of hours you can devote to school for each day of the week. For example, you might write Monday 5, Tuesday 5.5, Wednesday 6, Thursday 7.5, Friday 0, Saturday 11, Sunday 7, for a total of 42 hours. If the number of hours computed in activity A, time needed to be successful in your classes, is less than the number of hours computed in activity C, time available to devote to your classes, then you are able to work ahead this semester, which is an absolutely vital college success skill. If not, then your focus will be on finishing assignments instead of mastering skills and concepts. Over a long period of time, this can result in insufficient learning. And if unexpected life events happen, you may also find yourself missing assignments and failing tests. Activity D. Respond to this prompt. My new schedule allows me to work ahead this semester. Indicate that you strongly agree, neither agree nor disagree, disagree, or strongly disagree. What do I do if I can't work ahead, or worse, I can't stop falling behind? This is a tough situation. If you find you've taken on too much, there are 3 things you should do with regard to school. 1. Contact your professor. Explain your situation. Maybe you can get a due date extension on some assignments or find some other solution. 2. Contact an academic advisor. Find out what would happen if you withdraw from one or more of your classes. If you're going to fail a class anyway, a W grade may protect your grade point average and free up time to devote to your other classes. 3. Take fewer classes in future semesters. To know how many to take, predict the number of classes you will complete successfully this semester. That would be a good recommended value.